Godzilla just tore through downtown Sandusky. Godzilla was here. This wasn't wind, it wasn't rain, it was Godzilla. Crazy. Crazy.
No, it's not right now. It blew through it.
Godzilla just destroyed Water Street.
Any additional calls that come in, if it's not an emergency, just make a list of
Crazy. Unreal.
There's the power line right here underneath all this. It's all right, I'm walking away. Hey, I don't want anybody deciding.
Uh-oh, time to go. Godzilla's coming back. We gotta get out of here. Don't believe what they say. It wasn't rain, it wasn't wind. It's for sure Godzilla.
I know.
Yeah, no, we can't do that right now.
This is wild, man.
Okay.
All right.
Just hang out for a while.
I'm going back to my glass of wine, my beer, food. It's just stressing me out. Too many people. Crazy. Crazy. Everybody's freaking out. Everybody's freaking out. Everybody's freaking out, man. Whoa! It's a little too late to move your cars, everybody. Crazy. There's Mr. Andy Oriole. Hi. Hi. Crazy. The car's all banged up. Jeez. That roof just lifted up, slammed down all the way across the street onto those cars over there. This is tragic. Tragic. For sure Godzilla broke. That's what I was saying earlier. He just came passing through. He didn't mean to do any damage. He feels bad about it. But he definitely did damage. Brian, we got hit with like some 60-mile-per-hour winds out of nowhere. Roof ripped off that building and landed over there on those cars, which obviously wasn't good. All right, I'm out of here. Holy shit, holy shit, holy shit. This is wild. Someone could have been killed easily. Very scary. All jokes aside, someone could have been totally smashed by a brick or anything. A roof. Unreal. Crazy. This is how it starts.
Wow.
Look at all these people. Let's see if we can see some of the damage over here. They already put the caution tape up. 2 minutes ago I was over there. So there's the roof. That roof went from there, well, from there to there. Very scary. Very scary. Unreal.
Yeah, I guess this building here, this building.
It's going to be a huge insurance claim.
Jimmy and I were just going to park over there, and I told him no.
You can see part of the roof over there. It's somebody's Jaguar, totally smashed.
That was a new car.
That roof there flew off and landed over here. I can't believe nobody was hurt. Thank God. Excuse me.